And then from there, push back, have a stretch, because it is upper body as well. And then come back down again. Now come to the right leg, exactly the same. Keep your pelvis as steady as you can. Push up and bring it down. Push up and bring it down. So I'm really working hard here not to fall over onto my right side, because that's what I feel like I want to do. So I can feel my obliques, my waist muscles working as well. So you do the same amount, working into your 8 repetitions. And then when you've done the last one, don't worry too much about foot position. As long as you're sort of feeling it through the front of the hips, that's fine. And have you stretch out. Our next one is where we bring now abduction and abduction. So you could, if you struggle down here, you could, if you want, use a long arm. And you're just taking the knee out and bringing it back in. You're not pushing it back, or you can be down here with a short arm. So you're taking it out and bringing it in. Out. Again, 8 repetitions. As you take it out, can you feel that right hand side really having to work to stabilise your pelvis? It's not going to work if you can feel your pelvis tucking over. If you've got anybody else with you or a mirror, you know, just have a little check. Because there's no point, it's not going to be a hip movement if your whole pelvis is tilting over. Have a stretch back. Back over. Onto the right leg. Have a stretch out. So it's not stretch out. You know, stretch on the inner thigh, but strength very much so on the outer. Pelvis steady. I don't feel this side as tough, as hard. Not feeling as much into the waist muscles. But I know my left leg is my stronger leg for stability. Once you've done number 8, then again, you'll take your stretch back. I know I am running through these ones because we have already done them, so I don't need to go through the guidelines as much. If you've missed the class, you can go back and have a look at, it was one day, was it last Wednesday, Thursday? Right, from there, have a stretch out and let the head go. Now, we're going to stay down on the forearms. We're going to take the knees out and bring the feet in. So you've got your knees wider than your hips. Down on the forearm, let the head go, and you're going to just come forwards as if you're sort of nose diving, and then you're going to push back. If you can take, as long as this shouldn't hurt, but it's a lovely one for the hips. So think about the hips, top of the femur, they sort of come right the way around the groin, go around the back, around the sit bones, all the way up, and it's all that area. Pelvis nice and steady, so your knees are out and your feet are in. Just pushing away, pushing away. Let's do 3 more. Keep that chin tucked in, don't lift through the head. 2 more. Nice strong shoulders and arms. And 1 more. And then release. From there, come into knee level.